So let's say, for example, you have an Excel sheet right here, and you want to go ahead and paste out that data right here in Affinity. So to do that, first of all, you can go ahead and copy up the cells that you want to go ahead and paste it out. You can go ahead and copy. And if I were to go ahead and paste it, you can see that the table details right here gets pasted as a regular text. But I do want it in a table format. So let's just go ahead right here and then take the arrow right here, select this and delete this out. So over here in layout mode, you can see that I have the table tool. So let's just click right here and click and drag out the table right here, just like this. So I want around 5 columns right here. And then I want around, let's say, for example, 5 rows right here. So I'm just going to resize it as it is. And now if I were to go around, and I'm doing the same thing now, so I'm simply going to go ahead and press Control C. And if I were to go ahead and press Control V right here, you don't have it, but let me just go around over here, paste it by selecting out everything. And now you can see that the data gets pasted out right here, just like this. So this is what you can do. So you can go ahead and copy out table data from another application right here and paste it out inside a cell right here, just like this, so that you can go ahead and start designing it right here inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.